What's going on? Zero Day J here, January 10th, Wednesday, 1:33 p.m. West Coast time. Let's check in on how my FILECOIN trade is doing, and if I got rewarded, which I believe I did. Well, I know I did. I'm gonna show you how I got rewarded for not falling victim to FOMO. So let's do a little backtracking. FILECOIN, my first trade I got in around 531. It went all the way up to like 590, a little over 590. As it was coming back, I changed my stop loss to protect myself from getting smoked on a dump. From 483 to 561, the lock-in gains. It came back down, right, on this candle. I got stopped out, locked in, 5.4%, made some money. It kept coming down. It came back under the 200. I'm looking at the 4-hour. Came back down, hit the 300, dipped under the 300, and I thought about buying around here. I was looking at it at 531. It came all the way down to like 527. And then even in this 4-hour candle, it went as low as 521, 522. And I was looking at it 530. I was like, should I get in? I saw it. Then I made a video update on the whole situation. It was at 538, and I thought about getting in then. And I was like, am I going to give into FOMO? Am I going to give into FOMO? So what I decided to do, as I was in it, it went up to like 540 and change, I think, as I was making that video. So what I decided to do was place an order for, I think, 5.345. As this was going up, it actually went as high as 565, right? And then it was just bouncing around here in these 4-hour candles. Couldn't get back over the 200. Also hit its head on the 21 MA. Came back down, and then dumped. This is in this 4-hour candle. It dumped to 527, and during that process, I got filled at 5.345, I think it was. And then here we are. I did get rewarded for not giving into FOMO. Obviously, if I would have given into FOMO and chased it at 561, I'd be up right now. But I'm up a lot more because I waited, because I was patient, and I was patient and I got rewarded. So right now, let's take a look. I'm in my MEXC account. This is my stop I set in the last video. Last night, I think I made it. I don't remember. I'm making so many videos. I think I've made 40 videos in the last month and a half. This is my 41st video because I'm also doing Apex prop firm trading. So I use Apex. I have other videos about that if you want to check them out. If you're only coming here for the crypto stuff, but that stuff is, if you're a degen, you would love that. Anyway, let's get back to this. So this is my stop right now. I'm actually going to change the stop. I'm going to raise my stop to lock-in gains. I can't raise it per se. I have to cancel and then set it again. But here's my order history. So you can see I got filled. So here's my history so far during this challenge. Oops. There we go. First trade, 5.317. Canceled my stop loss at 5.483. Set a new stop limit at 5.617. It got filled. So I locked in some gains. I made like a little over $14, which is about 5.4%. Then, like I said, it was 5.346 was the price I set to get filled if it dipped. If it came back down, which I got lucky, it did, or fortunately. I don't want to say I got lucky, but fortunately it came back down and I got rewarded for not falling victim to FOMO. So I've been in since 5.346, and this is where I'm at right now. I'm up 7%. I'm up another $19. I'm up 7% right now. It's at 573. It went as high as, because of all this ETF news, it went as high as 581. Right now, I'm on the 4-hour. It needs to get over. It needs to close over this 34 MA. Let's see what it looks like on the hourly. And then I'm going to raise my stop to lock in gains, because I just don't want to get caught holding the bag, right? So we're at 573. This is, you can barely see it, but that's the 89 right there. It bounced off the 89. The next level really is the 200. That's where I want it to hit. I mean, we got the Fibonacci's here. This is a retracement to the downside. I would love for it to hit this 200 right here. That would be amazing, actually, if we could hit this 200, because that's 1 sec. I just heard something get filled, an order get filled. What? Where did that come from? That's my Apex. That's interesting. Let me get out of this. I don't know what that was about. Anyway, sorry about that. I digress. I think it's going to come up to here, at least. If it could come up to here, I might lock in the gains. Or raise my stop, right? Raise my stop a little higher. So in the meantime, let me cancel this order this stop limit order right here at 525. Let's look for a level that we can lock in some gains and for a good percent. So I'm in at, what am I in at? Order history. In since 5.346. 5.346 times 0.05 is another 2673 plus 0.2673, 5.613. That'd be funny if 5.61 is my next take profit. I'll lock it in at 5617 again. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to place an order. 5.617. It's a little bit more than 5%. We're going to get taken out here. Whoops. Stop limit. Stop limit. 5.617. All right. So if it drops down to 5.617, we're going to get taken out for a $13 gain, essentially. Right? Because we got in with $266, and that's what it would leave us with if we got taken out. Maybe, I don't know how much the fees are going to be, but that's what we're going to end up with. If we get taken out there, it'll be a nice 5+% gain, which I'll be more than happy with. Because at 279 minus 252 is what we started with. Sorry, minus. I mean, this is simple math, but my brain is fried from trading all day, but trading futures all day. It's over 10%. So I'm locking in. I'll be at over 10% so far during this challenge, which is great. So you don't have to quadruple the account overnight. You can make a slow grind up. Maybe I'll get lucky and this FILECOIN will double, but I'm not holding my breath for that to happen. I'm just gonna keep making trades, look for my spots, and take it from there. Oh, USDT group, please monitor the markets. Did this just happen? Can't trade now. That just happened. Are we gonna pop real quick? Is it official? I guess that's official, unless it was the SEC's Twitter account again. Well, whatever. Let's set this stop limit sell. Okay, 561. I'm locking in gains. Estimated P&L 1350. I'll take it. Boom. All right, orders in. We're good to go. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody about ZERODAYJAY, and hopefully we could all make some money together, or at least you could learn something about trading, especially with the charts. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.